Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how much attorney you have to pay to state or lawyer in all cases of accident which I am going to discuss. In case of oil field you can pay high attorney to state and lawyer near about $1,500 because in this case level of destruction is high. In case of 18 wheeler you can pay near about $1,000 to state and lawyer as an attorney. Next case is about industrial accident. Here in this case you have to pay attorney about $2,000 because here risk level is high. Then we have a case of construction site and its attorney is to state and lawyer is about $2,000 because there must a chance of big loss. After it we have a case of truck wreck accident. Here in this case you have to pay $500 and as an attorney. Then we have a case of personal accident attorney. Here you have to pay $700 as an attorney to lawyer and state. This whole video is about all type of accident and their attorneys. Hopefully you like this video and get great knowledge from this video. Press bell icon and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.